Welcome to another informative video about maintenance and reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we'll be diving deep into the world of infrared radiation, a tool that might just be the secret weapon your team needs. Stay tuned as we uncover how this unseen and unheard force can help monitor equipment temperature, prevent machine failure, and even diagnose hidden issues. But it's not all roses. We'll also be discussing the costs and constraints of using an infrared imaging system. So without further ado, let's get started. Did you know that infrared radiation, or IR, is a powerful tool that can't be seen or heard through normal means? Despite this, it's incredibly useful for checking temperatures, especially when comparing the temperature of an asset to another asset or tracking temperature changes over time. Interestingly, the use of infrared imaging was first popularized by firefighters. They found it invaluable for detecting temperature differences in burning buildings, which could indicate the presence of people inside. Today, infrared imaging has become a critical tool for assessing temperature fluctuations in all types of equipment. One of the most significant benefits of infrared imaging is its ability to enable preventive action for parts that would typically fail under extreme temperature conditions. Imagine a facility that sets up an infrared camera on a machine's bearings. Normally, these bearings would heat up and fail once they reached a certain temperature, leading to machine failure. But with the infrared setup, the facility can monitor bearing temperature and schedule maintenance before a breakdown occurs. That's a serious money saver. Infrared imaging also allows for in-depth diagnosis of issues that might not be obvious. Sure, it's easy to tell when something is wrong if gears start making a loud noise or a motor goes quiet, but for other systems like sanitation systems or piping, finding the root cause of an issue can be more challenging. That's where infrared imaging comes in. Technicians can use infrared analysis to locate problems that wouldn't otherwise be discoverable. For instance, they can use it to detect the presence of mold in buildings, which might not be visible to the naked eye. However, it's important to keep in mind the cost of an infrared imaging system. They require rigorous training to use properly and have some limitations, such as being unable to see through glass and water. But despite these challenges, an infrared imaging setup can be invaluable when our normal senses can't determine the root cause of a problem. So when it comes to maintenance and reliability, infrared imaging could be the secret weapon your team needs. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the benefits of infrared imaging in maintenance and reliability, including monitoring temperatures, preventing machine failure, and diagnosing hidden issues. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We appreciate your time and look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon.